Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hi guys, this is Purnima and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a beautiful photo frame using paint and stencil. So these are the requirements that you're going to be needing to decorate this beautiful photo frame. Make a note and let's get started. I'm taking this rectangle wooden frame. You can take any wooden frame or you can also make your wooden frame. I'm just decorating this wooden frame using paint. I'm using this matte acrylic paint. This is easily available online and Amazon, as well as it's also available in offline stores. You can also use fabrical colors or camel colors or any colors that you want, and you can use any type of color. I'm using matte color because I really like the finish of matte. So I'm taking this stencil which has love written on it. You can just use any type of stencil. You can use any design, any flower pattern or any pattern. So I'm taking this fabrical color in vermilion. This is a beautiful reddish oranges color, and I'm just taking this paintbrush and I'm painting this over stencil. The easy part of working with stencil is that you can make any mistake, but it will not reflect. And as I am pretty bad in drawing, stencil is a lifesaver for me. I love crafting, but my art is pretty bad, so stencil is a pretty lifesaver for me. So to decorate it, I'm just taking this different size stone. These are very beautiful stones, and these are available in different colors as well as different shapes and sizes. So you can buy them any color or any sizes depending on how you want to decorate it, from offline store or online store. So this is it. This is how I decorated a beautiful photo frame, a rectangular simple frame, into a beautiful photo frame with using stencils and just stones. This was super easy to make and it looks perfect with any kind of photos. So if you like this video and want me to make more stencil videos, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.